Hey guys, I'm doing a unboxing of my Palmetto State Armory 10.5 inch 556 AR kit that I bought, and there it is. This platform is going to be a AR pistol. Here we got the nice looking barrel, rails, bolt carrier group there. Cover looks good. And also got a bag full of parts here. Let's see what we got. State Armory. Looks like we got a nice grip here. Let's open this thing up. Okay, from left to right, we've got the brace. Nice looking brace. MFT. And we've got your standard pistol grip. Cap for the bottom. There's the buffer tube assembly and spring, and a bag of lower receiver parts, trigger, pins, screws, all kinds of goodies. There's a little rubber dude flicky, cool. So that's pretty much it. It's a nice looking kit. It came in the mail very fast, except for UPS screwing up my address, and I had to go pick it up at their store. Other than that, Palmetto State was on point, very quick, very precise in their ordering and everything. Shipping was good, and this is the kit that I ordered, so I am a happy camper. Let's get this all set up with my new lower and go have some fun at the range. Okay, there's another look at the barrel. Nice. This is going to be a fun situation, I think. I'm going to have a good time messing with this. And I still got to get a pop-up sight for the back, maybe a red dot sight. But yep, there it is. Palmetto State Armory, 10.5 inch carbine length AR pistol in 5.56. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya!